Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lovabletiff, here with another video. And this video is actually sponsored. This wig was sent to me from a company to promote their wig. And the wig, the company is VIVI Baby. I think it's VIVI, that's how you pronounce it, VIVI Baby. And it says 100% human hair. And the wig is a deep wave. It says a lace front wig, but it's not a lace front, which I'm not understanding. I mean, it has a lace, but that would be the closure wig, not a lace front. But it's 18 inches. And so inside the box, they just give you a wig cap. But I already have one on. So, sorry y'all. But yeah, so, and like I said, it's deep wave, and this how it looks. And it says 18 inches. And I'm guessing that, yeah, we'll say 18 inches for this one. So yeah, and at the bottom of the nape, it does have lace to where I guess you can lift it up and put it as a ponytail. I'm not gonna do that. I don't ever do that with my wigs unless it's probably a 360. So but yeah, so it comes with the band already attached. Y'all don't mind my nail. I'm going to get it fixed right after I do this video. So yeah, it comes with the band already attached to it, which I like, because they normally don't come with them. You have to put it in yourself. So I'm just going to take the wig out of the package. I mean, out of this little, what do you call it? The little hair net thing. It's a little stuck, y'all. Hold on. Okay. But yeah, and so this is how it looks. This is how the lace looks. It's pretty good. Okay, you probably would have to, if you want to, bleach the knots or whatever. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, so this is not a lace front. It says lace front on the box. This is not a lace front. Lace front is all the front right there. And so that's wrong. This is like maybe like a 5x5 closure part wig. Closure lace wig. So y'all sent me the wrong one, Vivi. But yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my head. I'm not gonna do any, the curls are very pretty though. And it doesn't have a smell, it doesn't stink or anything. And the reason why it probably looks like this right here is because of the way it was in the box folded. So, but yeah, we not worried about all that. But the hair is, like I said, is very pretty. I'm gonna cut all this off. I just want to throw it on. Y'all see my videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to. It does have adjustable straps too in the back if you want to adjust your straps. Like me, I didn't do it a few minutes ago, but this is because it's just to show y'all how it looks on. But I am gonna adjust it because I like to have the straps adjusted. I don't like for my wig to feel like loose or whatever. So yeah. So this is how it's looking on my head. And it's very pretty, y'all. It's very pretty. Let me show you how the back looks. Hopefully y'all can see that. Okay. So yeah, I'm liking it off bat. Let's see. Yeah, the part stops right here, but you know that's because I haven't defined the part even more. So, but yeah, it goes all the way back to there. See, there you go. You can see that better. But yeah, so without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and start laying the wig. I'll be back. Okay, so I plucked my part a little bit more. And I put a little concealer on it. I don't want to pluck too much. And y'all, my baby hairs, I don't know what I did. They look terrible. I'm trying to, I'm waiting for my hot comb to heat up so I can lay this middle part down right here. Because I like it flat. I'm trying to pluck these edge things. Yeah. Okay, so I already laid it flat a little bit with my hot comb. Yeah, hot comb, y'all. I was like, what? I had a brain fart. So, and normally I put some y'all see my videos. I'll put some Lot of Body on it just to keep it from the flyaways and stuff like that. Even though sometimes a Lot of Body makes it hard. I don't like the hardness and the, you know what I'm saying? But it keeps it down. Like, especially after putting the hot comb over it after laying the Lot of Body, it'll kind of make it a little hard. So I don't like that, but I mean, I'm trying to keep it. I want to keep that flat as possible in the top. And whatever this is right here, don't want to lay flat. You see that? Whatever. Okay. But the curls are very pretty. Even like big like this, it's very, very pretty. You know, I wanted to keep the curls how they were, but because I had, I wanted to keep it like that. But because I had, I started plucking a little bit, I had to get the hair out of it. So that's why it made it like big. But it's still pretty. It's still very much pretty. I'll probably put, if I want to make the curls go back, I'm just wet it. You know, I spray it, or I put some, and I'm looking so short, y'all, because I got my camera up really high today for some reason. I don't know. Okay. There we go, a little bit better. So, yeah. I love it. I'm probably not going to do any makeup right now. But y'all get the gist of how everything's supposed to look. So, y'all see? This hair is very, 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 very pretty. The VIVI hair, if y'all want to send me some more hair, go ahead, I will take it. I want a little bit longer, though. Maybe like a 22 instead of an 18. But I love this. I love the curly hair. I love very curly hair. I like straight hair too, but I love a curl, a very nice, pretty curl. And there was no shedding. What you seeing me pull out right here is not from it shedding. That's because I did a lot of plucking and everything. So I already knew that was gonna happen with me plucking. But this is it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe. I may put some pictures up after the video with, you know, the makeup and everything, or my lashes, because my eyebrows are already done, so I can just probably throw in some lashes and, you know, so y'all can kind of get the gist of how everything looks with it fancied up. But thanks again, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To my new followers, to my returning followers, thank you guys for sticking with me this long. Hope to see you in the next video.
You left yours?
I think so.
Huh?
Hey, y'all.
YOLO.
YOLO, boy.